Alright, it is dark as crap out here, but I am teaching the new chickens to go into their new coop. And one of them went in on her own, and they know about it, but they're not quite sure. Keep going. Keep going. She's not quite sure what to do. Here's another one gonna try. Oh. And it's dark, of course, because it's bedtime for the chickens. Nope. So I'm probably gonna have to do what I did last night, which is grab each one of them one by one and push them in. See, there you go. Keep going. Keep going. You can see in there. Keep going. Come on, little chicken. Come on. Lord have mercy. Let's see here. I'm going to have to grab them one by one.